All right, guys, welcome back. I recently have been going out again doing my own First Amendment audits. I got a lot of good footage. I just bought a van so I can travel with my kids, so expect us to do a lot more audits everywhere in the United States. Let me explain what we're looking at here. We found a lazy one, folks. At the end of the video, you're going to hear a woman say that this guy's been on the phone all day. When we walked up, he was on the phone. And when I tried to be nice to him and ask him a question, he got rude with me for absolutely no reason. So when I put the camera on him and I let him know that he's no better than anybody else, he gets up, tucks his tail, and he does the walk of shame. Watch this video all the way through. You'll know that I'm not jiving you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit the bell. Hit that thumbs up. Share this with everybody you know. Let's get rid of these lazy public officials, guys. They're overpaid and they don't want to do their jobs. Here we go, folks. And this is the way they treat the public. And now he's gonna do the walk of shame. Look at, he's gonna do the walk of shame. He's gonna go tuck his tail. He's gonna go put his head on a pillow and cry. You know, this is what I'm talking about. This is what we see. Is look at, he's gonna tuck his tail. He's gonna go find a pillow, put his head and cry.
You know what I've actually been into though? How's it going? Can I help you with anything?
I was just looking around.
No, because I seen a video. You guys can go ahead and videotape.
You can go up and take a check it right now.
See.
They're okay, they're good too. Videotape this one. They just can't go with that.
I got understood.
Yeah, but they just can't videotape that. There's two like bloggers or what they are.
I appreciate you knowing our right to record, man. How did you know? You've seen these videos before?
I really don't need to have a conversation with you. You can videotape though.
Oh, damn. I was just gonna say thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I was gonna tell you, yes, it's sounds really good. Well, I'll call you after work.
That was, How you doing today?
You got the kiosk.
Huh?
You got the kiosk.
You can pay at the kiosk.
You have to step to the window.
It seems like for some reason if you come in here, I don't know if it's the cameras or not, but people in here seem to be rude or something.
I'm not being rude.
mean,
I just told you I don't want to talk.
Just kind of odd. Would you act like that if I didn't have a camera in hand? Doesn't have a name tag that I can see. And that's the problem, folks. And I gotta tell you guys, that's the reason we make these videos, because these and I hate to say it like this, but it's the truth. Is they're welfare recipients, right? They're on welfare, and they think they're better than people that are on welfare, but they get the same check, right? And this is the way they treat the public. And now he's gonna do the walk of shame. Look at, he's gonna do the walk of shame. He's gonna go tuck his tail. He's gonna go put his head on a pillow and cry.
Just like that.
Embarrassment. Now he's gonna go cry. Hey, be a man. She don't wanna hear it. She's got her own stuff to deal with. Pinche chillón. Here's another one, look. I asked him how he was doing and he ignored me. And this is how they treat the public. You come in here, you try to be nice and you ask questions and they treat you a certain way because, you know, they don't have name tags. Seems Finn's calling me funny. But this is the issue that we see with these tax-funded servants. You know, this is what I'm talking about. This is what we see. Is look at, he's gonna tuck his tail. He's gonna go find a pillow, put his head and cry.
Anything for the check, you know. Anything for the check.
Fuck it hell. Trash, man. I gotta tell you guys. This is San Joaquin Valley Transparency. I'm here with Louis C. and San Joaquin Audits. He's around the corner. You guys go subscribe. I'll drop their links. Yeah, what can I say? You know, like they that's how they treat the public. That's how they treat the people that pay them. They're trash, man.
That's funny.
Yeah, that's funny, man. The way they act.
It's supposed to be rude, though, huh?
Hey.
We're getting filmed back.
You know, guys, I could easily go back in there and just record them some more. But I think the video's done here. We don't need to go back in there and agitate them or nothing. Like, they're the ones that got butthurt and agitated just because they see me with the camera to begin with. I did absolutely nothing wrong. I was actually nice and cordial. Say hello. I don't want to talk to you, man. I was gonna say hey, because I heard him on the phone chopping it up with someone, just relaxing on a break or something, right? And then he's like, yeah, they have a right to record. And I was just gonna say, hey, I appreciate you. And then right away he was like, I don't want to talk to you. It's like, whoa, is this the way you treat the people that pay you? Yeah. Unbelievable. The trash, man. The trash. Anyhow, we're done with this one, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Peace. And I'm gonna point this out, man. So to point out, what I do really good on my channel is point out police hypocrisy sometimes. Those names right there are millimeter in size. How the hell are we supposed to see them? Someone's wait up, I'm not done talking, bro. I'm not done talking. See, look at the disdain you have for the people.
You can go.
Look at you don't want to hear it.
You can go back
You don't
to
want to
work.
hear it. Shame on you. Shame on you. Look, it's
want.
millimeter in size. The people cannot see it. So a lot of times, a lot of deputies, officers, law enforcement. Look at, he's gonna tuck his tail and walk away. He's gonna tuck his tail and walk away. You guys love the blue line propaganda, but when we point out your hypocrisy, you tuck your tail and walk. Flores, you don't want to hear this real quick? I'm almost done. Look at you guys. No, I bet you none of you can state the First Amendment. None of you guys can. I bet. Not one of you guys. Let me see. Show me. Look at this guy. The biggest coward of all. Tuck your tail and get in there. Go find a pillow. Go hug each other, fellas, ladies.
Welfare check.
Fucking chumps. They're trash. They violate our rights, people's rights all the time. We go in there and ask questions and they violate our rights again, over and over again. Shame on them. 2 more crybabies over there, look. 2 more crybabies over there, look. We over there ask questions and they all talking shit.
We've been having like 6-7 hours on the phone.
Yeah?
That's all
Yeah.
we do.
Right there.
You know, they collect their checks.
6 or 7 hours on the phone right there, huh? This guy.
We pay their checks and that's how
Hey, get off the phone and get to work, stupid.
he's in love.
You flipped me off.
You guys asked them questions and they didn't answer them?
No, we just said that. They all came out in numbers. That's what they do, intimidation.
6, 7 hours on the phone.
Yeah.
That's all
Yeah.
they do.
Right there.
You know, they collect their checks.
6 or 7 hours on the phone right there, huh? This guy.